in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your password on your Acer desktop, tablet, or laptop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select sign in options. And then you want to select the password option underneath ways to sign in, and then select change, enter in your current password, then select next, type in your current password, confirm it, and then enter in a hint if you want, and then select next and then follow through with the on-screen instructions, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.